to my YouTube channel. This shocking news when I just hear just now, the thing just totalized me like seriously. The thing shocked me. This man will just go Nigeria. When be say this Dr. Oguname, we just go Nigeria where everybody just go welcome for airport. Like they welcome her like governor, like president. Now this man, I will just hear now say, Doc Meme, the thing shocked me. Oh. The thing shocked me like seriously. Say, like which kind of news would they hear so? What thing we just hear so? My darling people, the thing shocked me. Now I said, no, I must not tell my people. Say, I go ever put the video where they go welcome her. Like the thing shocked her. What they call day this word now? Like person when you see today, you hear say tomorrow, they say not day again. That is why I they always they talk. But we stop this eight this one, eight this one, eight this one. It's not good. It's not good. You understand? This saga, this one go they plan, make this one die. This one go they plan, make this one. It's not good. It's not they help anybody. It's not they help anybody, my darling people. May we stop this thing. May we stop this hate. May we stop her. How many years we want to stay this life? We be say we go to hate one another. And though we the Benin, we go to make ourselves, they shop ourselves because of social media money. We go forget, say you where they plan me person. You go see, you want just stay this life forever. No. See Dr. Oguname where they go welcome, where go Nigeria. And with this man, where sick me so Pausunde. Two of them are presenter. And in Nigeria, and they go to Nigeria, and they forgot me so Nigeria. So my Obonga people, this life not today. If you know say you dey vex with anybody, just go so free, meet that person, say, make he forgive you. More na they play. Forget say na you first tell the person says I'm sorry. More na they play. He not go remove anything for your body. He not go remove anything. My Obonga people. This matter will just happen. So the thing shocked me like seriously. The thing shocked me. Now I say no. I can't tell my Ogbonge people. May they see yeah. The latest way they on board now. Thank you, my darling people. Take care until I come your way. Next time again. I go put the video now. Where they take go welcome her. Mona yeah. Mona see. Like the thing shocked me when I just hear the shocking news. Dr. Oguname. He just me. The thing shocked everybody. So now I make a conscious and fall now. Thank you, my darling people.
Whether you go stable, man go stable. Whether you go stable, man go stable.
me.